Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Parkside pressure washer model PHD110D1. Power consumption is 1300 watt, working flow volume, rated flow volume is max 4.5 liters per minute and 270 liters per hour. Flow max is 6 liters per minute and 306 liters per hour. Working pressure, rated pressure is max 7.4 MPa, 74 bar. Max pressure is 11 MPa, 110 bar. We have 5 meters of cable for the power, 3-meter hose. Some accessories included: quick release coronator for standard garden hose systems, power saving automatic start stop system, 3 years warranty. Let's take a look at some pictures into the box. What we can do, of course we are going to test it to see how it works, and let's see what we have inside. And here we are, we can see this little bad boy. Well, of course, inside we're going to find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice. Stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product and how it works. Now, into the unit, we can see we have the on-off switch. This plastic goes here for the cable, and you can carry on your cable wherever you are going. Put it here. You can connect your main water supply for your house, garden, wherever you are. From the other side, we have the connection for the hose, 3 meters of hose, and you can connect your spray gun here. Connected is very easy. We have a rubber for prevent any leaks. And here is the connection again for your spray gun. Push the button, and you can release it. Here we've got a plastic, not prevent to push it whenever you don't want. Next we have the jet pipe. Connection is very easy. Push it and turn, and it can connect. Then into the front we got the adjustable flat nozzle. If you want to take it out, just unscrew. And here it is. And again we've got a rubber for better sealing. And it locks. Now, if you want to have everything tied into the main unit, just take everything out, release that, goes here, goes here, and it goes here. And of course your hose, you can put it here. And with this handle you can carry on wherever you go. It's a little unit, small unit, not so heavy. Everything tight and well in the place that should be. And I think now it's time for move on for testing. Well guys, as you can see, it's doing a great job. It can clean the dirt for about 10 to 15 years, from the tiles to my garden, from the stone on the wall, from the marble. Of course you can use it to clean your car, whatever is suitable for you. I'm sure you're gonna find out a way to use this pressure washer. I didn't like that it doesn't have a detergent bottle. That means you cannot use any soap for cleaning your car or whatever you want to use it. Well guys, that was the product. You can see what it can do. If you need something like that to your home, to your garden, it's your choice if you want to buy it or not. For me, I think it's a great unit, but you can consider to see my other videos right in the corner and down to the description from other Parkside pressure washer and other brands, and then you will find out what is better for you or not. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, like my video, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.